Hi, meteorologist Damien Lodes, and this is your weekly forecast for October 6th, if you can believe it. 77 degrees right now in Oklahoma City as we take a live look at the sunset over Lake Hefner. It's definitely not feeling like the first week of October with temperatures like this. 79 degrees right now in Midwest City, Norman, 77 in El Reno, and 79 for both Okarche and Kingfisher. And looking across the rest of the state, we got 77 right now in Seminole, Ada, 82 down in Ardmore, and 87 in Lawton. So parts of far southwestern Oklahoma are still seeing temperatures in the upper 80s. Now for the overnight lows tonight, this is where it's going to start to feel a lot more like fall time. 60 degrees for the overnight low in Stillwater, 57 in Enid, and 59 for you folks down in Lawton. Here for the metro area though, we will get down to an overnight low of 63 degrees, and it's going to be a lot quieter than what we saw last night with all those thunderstorms moving through the area. 64 degrees as you're making that way into work tomorrow for your morning commute, up to the mid 80s by lunchtime. Then we'll top off for an afternoon high of 93 here for Oklahoma City. So it's going to be a hot one. So hot, in fact, that we're actually going to threaten this record high of 94 degrees tomorrow for Oklahoma City. So that's just to show you just how warm it's going to be. Not just here in Oklahoma City, but across the rest of the state as well. Because look at these afternoon high temperatures. 93 in Stillwater, 91 in Eden, and 96 down in Lawton. So with temperatures like this, it's going to feel a lot more like mid-July than it is early October. Now, it's not going to be all sunshine because the remnants of Tropical Storm Simon are going to start to move into the metro area by midweek, and this is going to meet up with a cold front moving through the state. And what this is going to do is, starting on Thursday night, this is going to bring an 80% chance of widespread rain across the state. Now, just how much rain will we see? Well, for most of western Oklahoma, we're looking at anywhere between a quarter of an inch to an inch of rain. Now, for the metro and most of eastern Oklahoma, we're looking at anywhere between an inch to 2 inches of rain, and even some areas are going to see an isolated 2+ inches. And what that's going to do with our storm impacts is we're going to bump up the flooding risk right there to a moderate, and that's going to be because of all the heavy rain some of these areas are going to see. And we're also going to have a low risk right there for some gusty winds. And getting into your 5+5 forecast, well, tomorrow, like I said, it's going to be a hot one. We're going to be 1 degree off from setting that record high of 94 for tomorrow afternoon. And then we get into the next couple of days, high of 89 on Wednesday, also a high of 89 on Thursday. We do have a 60% chance of rain on Thursday. That's going to be starting at 10, 11 o'clock Thursday night. So we're not really going to see it on Thursday. We're going to primarily see that for Friday, 80% chance of rain there. And that's also, look at what this is going to do to the temperatures. Only a high of 72 on Friday and 68 on Saturday. So this is what I like to call Oklahoma weather. 93 degrees on Tuesday, and then by the time the weekend starts, only a high of 68 on Saturday. And then getting into your rest of your weekend, high of 79 on Sunday. 20% chance of rain is going to last till then. So if you have any outdoor weekend plans, you might want to postpone them till another weekend. But if you're like me and you like the temperatures in the high 80s, low 90s, and sunny skies, you might want to enjoy these next couple of days, because after that, look at this. This is when it's going to start feeling a lot more like the fall season. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.